Okay, so I decided to use the RAM upgrade since it didn't fit on the Mac for my Toshiba Satellite C55TA 5306. And it didn't make that much of a difference in internet speed, but it did make a difference in uploading speed and in everything else. Overall, the computer performance is slightly better, but it's still a bit slow when loading on because it's still getting used to new hardware. But let me show you where I installed the RAM. So the RAM was installed right over here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's that green thing right there, and that's the upgrade I did.
Now, as for programming, I like the Mac more for programming because it has Code Runner app on it, and it also is compatible with Swift, Ruby on Rails, and things like that. And it's much more smoother when running Python. Or for the Windows, I do like video editing on the Windows more and game development on the Windows more because Unity is easier to use, it's easier to download, and it's also Unreal Engine is pretty vast on the Windows. I haven't tested yet on the Mac, so I can't really judge for that. But also video editing, it has Windows Movie Maker and Video Maker FX, which are two programs I use constantly. So that's another thing I like as in the Windows as in the Mac. So yeah, those are my side by side comparison in what I use those two computers.